Philip, we're just showing the one-day moves, but how much upward pressure in general have we been seeing here?
Yeah, since the start of the week, wheat prices have been up 16%. So you look at Russia, they're a key supplier of strategic commodities. Ukraine is known as the breadbasket of Europe. Russia does produce the number 3 of total global wheat. And the two combined countries, they export about 29% of global wheat and then also 20% of corn. So these concerns of the shutdown of the exports really come in if the Black Sea is shut down as far as transportation. So you're going to see these end users, they're going to have to take alternative measures as far as grabbing supply. That's where the U.S. comes in. That's why our wheat prices have gone limit up today. And that's why our old crop corn contract has gone up limit up as well at one point today.
My understanding from reporting by our Lorianne LaRocco is that this would be a lot more severe if it were happening over the summer, that this is currently a moment when exports are at sort of a low ebb seasonally. So what should we anticipate for prices of corn, wheat, and the others as we head through the coming months?
Your biggest problem that we're going to have is if this conflict goes on longer than expected, where it impacts their wheat harvest or that Black Sea is shut down. You could see prices go parabolic. In 2014, when they invaded Crimea, you saw wheat prices jump about 50%. And then once the conflict was over, that was the top on prices. So wheat could easily get north of $10. Corn futures could get north of $8.
So get ready for higher prices at the grocery store is what I'm hearing you say, number one. Number two is the question about how much of Russia or of Ukraine's wheat, as you refer to it as the breadbasket of Europe, Russia's breadbasket, how much of that is actually exported into Western Europe? Do you know?
So it was heavily exported to Western Europe. That's why China came in today and signed an agreement to drop any kind of restrictions they had on importing the wheat, and they're going to take over. So it's going to be a seamless transition for them. The problem is that it might impact U.S. wheat exports and U.S. corn exports. That's why I think prices came off today.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much for your point of view, Philip Strebel.